Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things.
What's up everybody, I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. Welcome back to my channel 93 Rider. So today is Monday morning and आज बहुत दिनों के बाद, बहुत ज़्यादा देर के बाद I'm going to the Royal Enfield showroom to test ride the new Continental GT650. The reason I'm specifically going for the GT650 because that bike look awesome to me. Seriously, that's so beautiful, I can tell you, I don't have words for that. So just like before, I'm again going to the Bernala Automobile to test ride the motorcycle. I had the conversation with them, they said bike they're ready, so I'm just heading straight toward that. Alright, so here we are outside the Royal Enfield Bernala Automobile showroom and my bike is ready. I'm gonna test ride it pretty soon. But before that, I'll be showing you the motorcycle in my video. I hope you like the video of this motorcycle. मेरी बाइक अभी बाहर आ गई है, तो उससे पहले हम आपको मिलाते हैं मिस्टर इंद्रजीत सिंह एंड ही इज़ द वन जिन्होंने लास्ट टाइम मुझे हिमालयन दी थी टेस्ट राइड करने के लिए. आई विल ड्रॉप डाउन हिज नंबर इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन एज वेल ऑन द वीडियो. So if you are from Ludhiana and want to test ride the motorcycle or you want to buy any motorcycle, just call him anytime and you will definitely be given the best services in the city. So thank you sir, thank you so much. So here we are going to test ride the motorcycle. And he is the most respected owner of the showroom. Thank you so much for this motorcycle, and he always welcomes me and Rahul sir. So let's crank the motorcycle. Wow, feeling pretty smooth, huh? ठीक है. Wow, bike is feeling so smooth. Engine braking is pretty hard. Wow. What a smoothness this motorcycle has. What a response of throttle. Whoa. Close call. I like this sitting posture. ये मेरे Apache 180 से थोड़ा सा extreme है, but not as much as RC 390. So it's somewhere in middle. So in terms of braking, this motorcycle has the dual channel ABS, so that is the best thing. You can rely on its brakes. And moreover, ये बाइक की जो कलर स्कीम है, oh my god, I really love it. The white tank, the blue and grey stripe. Alright, what I can feel is that by riding in the traffic, my hands are being a little stressed due to the sitting posture. Now let's talk about the looks of this motorcycle. I really loved its headlamp and the indicators. I know they are not LED, but they look damn beautiful in this. अगर LED होते तो obviously it would have the modern look, but today I'm liking its the old retro look. Okay, this stretch used to be a little empty, so I will try to rev it. It does 0 to 100 pretty quickly. I don't know in how many seconds or so, but it easily touched 130. think this motorcycle has a slipper clutch. I'm not really sure, but I think it has, because the downshifts are pretty smooth. And this bike sounds pretty well. I wish अगर इसमें exhaust हो after market, oh my god, मजा आ जाएगा. I'm loving each and everything of this motorcycle. This bike goes like this. Dude. Oh my god, it's sound. It's loud, it's bassy, and if it would have the exhaust, like it will make you feel like what the Ducati Monster. I've heard a Ducati Monster with the SE Project exhaust. Oh my god, that sounds beautiful. What I feel is that इसमें भी वैसे exhaust हो, I know not the SE Project, because that's gonna cost the half of the value of this motorcycle. But something like that, this bike is gonna sound so beautiful then. Mirrors are offering decent view, not really good I would say. The mirrors can be improved. And one thing I wanna say, this is not a review or anything like that. I am just sharing my first ride experience, that what I am liking about this motorcycle. Okay, I'm gonna take the U-turn so that I could ride it a little more. At idling, oh my god, at idling आपको पता ही नहीं चलता कि ये बाइक ऑन भी है या नहीं. Its power delivery is very linear. It doesn't give you any jerk like you get on the 390s. And for those who are really much concerned about the weight, yes, this bike is heavy. So if you're really concerned about the weight, you might have to rethink before buying this motorcycle. All I can guess is this bike would be looking so damn beautiful from front. Wow. Ananda. Fuck, but it actually looks so beautiful, yeah. I like its bigger tank. I like the black rims. This is the best thing I like in the motorcycle, because I'm a big fan of the black rims with this chrome spokes. And in Interceptor, these are like all chrome. This bike is absolutely beautiful. The masterpiece by the Royal Enfield. Best thing. Alright, I'm done with the test ride, and oh boy, this bike is actually a masterpiece. The engine is really smooth, the power delivery is like linear, very quick, you know, 0 to 100 in no time, and I actually love this motorcycle. And if I talk about the looks, looks is the main reason that I test ride this motorcycle before the Interceptor. So in looks department, it's a 10 by 10. So beautiful, everything is so good. I didn't find any negative thing about this motorcycle. But I hope you like this video. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe my channel for the more videos like this. See ya in the next one.